So one way to use these markers is to manually thicken the downstrokes. So you write your letter shape and then you come back and manually thicken the downstrokes, which is what we teach in the Creative Lettering Journal. So you can come down and manually thicken those, or you can vary the angle and the pressure and use this like a brush pen, and in one stroke you can create the thin and thick strokes. So you can sort of use these markers in two different ways. The first would be doing faux calligraphy, which is what we refer to this as when you come back and manually do it, or you can use them sort of as a brush pen when you change the angle and the pressure, because there's a thin and also a thick.